Hello, my name's Gordon. I'm from MTS Mechanical. We use in the Levanta Techlift columns on a wide range of vehicles. We do servicing on light vehicle, Land Cruiser utes, patrols, right through to our heavy prime movers. I started here when MTS first got the hoist, and I appreciate the boss for getting them because I don't think I'd work here without them. It makes my job a hell of a lot easier. Since having the hoist, we've reduced our times. Productivity's gone through the roof. Doing services and just general things, really easy to use. They always connect together really well. You can just chuck the hoist on them. Even if you do one tyre, you can just chuck a hoist under one side. It's good. It's handy. We're using the single mode. We also got the heavy vehicle stands, and we use them to coincide with it. We can lift one truck up and put them on the stands, continue work on it while we take the hoist and use it on another vehicle.